In this video, I'm going to show how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet. First, open the Cash App by clicking on the icon in the bottom left. Navigate to the Bitcoin graph where it says Buy Bitcoin. Enter the amount you'd like to invest. For this example, I'll do $10. Click Next. It will ask for your verification, and once confirmed, you've now bought some Bitcoin. Now, I'll show you how to transfer this to a different wallet. Each Bitcoin wallet has an address. If I scroll down to deposit Bitcoin, I can copy the address for this wallet. I have already copied the address for the wallet I want to send to. Now, I will scroll up, tap the send arrow on the right, select send Bitcoin, and choose to send $10 here. Then, I'll tap send at the bottom. It gives me options, but I'll just paste in the Bitcoin address. Tap on the address again to select it, and tap next. Choose how fast you want the withdrawal to be processed. I'll go with the first option, priority. Click next, scan my face, and the transaction is initiated. I tap done, and now this Bitcoin is on its way to my other wallet. We just need to wait for confirmation on the network.